Guys, into this video, unboxing this mailbox that I received today. Manual for safety instruction. So according to the description, max torque of this power tools is 900. I believe it is only for advertising. Include one battery. Well, then brand name Tankmore. What is a Tankmore? More tanker. An adapter that I can convert into drill. Alright, it's good. Unfortunately, I cannot test the max torque impact range, and the price to this impact range, it is 1,010 peso, more or less $25 US. Thank you for watching, guys.